how to leave a review on Airbnb. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can actually leave a review on Airbnb, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you'd like to leave a review on Airbnb, keep in mind that you can only leave a review after you have been stayed in that place and after the host has actually confirmed your stay. Now if you'd like to review it, all you have to do is just open up your browser or the app if you want, go to airbnb.com, make sure that you're signed in, right? So currently what you want to do is I'll make sure to drop a link below. You can directly go to this link, which is airbnb.com/users/reviews. Rather than going through all the hassles of click on this, click on that, I'll just make sure to drop a direct link. Here you'll find all of the reviews by you. So first you have reviews about you, which means other people has left about you. But if you want to leave a review, you can go to reviews by you, and then right over here you should be able to find the places that you've stayed in and then ultimately write a review, and you'll also be able to see all of the past reviews that you've actually written. And this is it on how you can leave a review on Airbnb. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions though, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.